Okay. Okay, they're gonna break. That's good. One. Count as you do it. So 1.
What?
No, that's 2. 3. 4. Okay, 2 more. 5. 6. Okay, no more. Over the bowl. Come over the bowl. Pour it.
Good idea.
Okay, that's it. No, that's it. 1. And then 1 more.
Teamwork.
Yeah, that's good. More. Not a big one. Not a big one. Not a big one.
Right.
No, not a big one. Oh no. Okay, we'll let it go. We'll let it go.
Oh, there you go. We lost half of it. What's going on, Ryan?
Top of the bowl to the top of this cup. A bit more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. And then, yeah, that's it. No more.
Yeah.
Alright, so tip it into here. Into this. Careful. More. Oh. More. A little bit more.
I don't eat that.
No, don't eat it.
You can have a taste if you want.
No.
Do you want to taste it?
No.
It's foul, isn't
Hmm. That'll do.
it? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. No, that's good.
You gotta
Why
stop.
do we always have to do extra? Why so extra, Ryan? The big spoon or the little spoon?
Oh, you want to be on this side of the camera, do you? You can see Aydin.
Hi, Ryan. Oh, come on, mix it.
Mom.
Which
Yeah,
spoon do you want?
you get back on that side of the camera, mate. You're too pretty to be on this side.
Right now.
Dinner. Oh, you want to make burgers for dinner?
Make cupcakes for dinner.
Stop it.
No.
Stop it. Oh, wait. Did you do this game the TV?
After?
After you make cupcakes, then you can play a game.
Yeah, it's like all balls.
Mm.
I don't know
There you go.
Ryan, crush up the balls. No, not.
No, Zane. Go with that. Zane.
No.
No, not a ball.
No.
No.
Oh, stop it,
You stop it. You're being silly.
Where's that for that?
Stop saying that.
There's hardly any.
I can't put that in my video. I can't put that in my video.
Oh, stop it.
You're ruining the content, Ryan.
Stop it.
1.
Good job, Aydin.
Then you eat the shells over here.
You did it. All right, one more each.
guess-
What's going on there? Okay.
Fair.
You've got your towel hanging down there. It's huge. Can't miss it.
Oh, stop it.
You stop it. It's like you're cleaning the cupboards.
Oh, stop it, Shirley.
And call me
There's a
Shirley.
chicken in this one. Who else just watched that bit of shell fall in? Ryan, do you like your cupcakes crunchy?
Yep.
No.
Oh,
That's it.
I lost the shell. Unless it didn't fall in, unless it was just part egg.
Oh well, if you can't find it, it's out of sight, out of mind.
good.
In the mouth, nice and crunchy. What's the... Ryan, can I ask, what is the reason to crush up the shell? What scientific research is behind it? Does it make it taste better? Oh yeah, that's what I thought. I agree.
Oh, Mom.
Does it look good? What do we got to do?
What's this?
Yeah, but what are they?
Oh, there.
Can you get it?
I know you're a shirt.
Hmm? Oh my goodness. I have got it on my shirt.
And this one.
I want it in now.
Yep. You want to eat? You can have a taste. We've had a taste.
It's about, no, not on the spit. No. I won't
All right, get a different spoon now. Because you
Get a
used that
different
one.
spoon, get a
And we
different
want to
spoon.
share these cupcakes. So put that spoon in the sink. And we'll get a different spoon.
Say, are they ready?
Yep.
No. Say, are they ready?
Yep.
No, say, can you say, are they ready?
Yep.
No.
Oh, you're a nut.
You gotta put it, Ryan.
Okay.
What is that?
Up there.
Yeah, what is it?
Oven.
The oven.
Go. You shit. Go.
What were you mean to the cupcake?
Alright, get your timer. 15. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. That's 5, dude.
Well, stop it
15.
louder.
That's 15.
Yeah.
Alright, come back in 15.
Okay.
What about your other glove, mate? You need 2.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, that's alright. Look, I'll clean it off. Use your other hand.
Go to there.
You're going to put it there. Alright. That's it. Squeeze it. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Get that
What are you doing, Aydin?
Eating icing.
Rightio, and there's some chocolate chips. They're nice, 98% sugar free. Delicious.
Still got the 2% of sugar in there.
Go to there, Adam. Stop.
Yep.
Go to there.
Yeah, they look really good, Ryan.
How did you get the design?
Good job, boys.
Mine wasn't designing.
So it's got skills, mate.
Just like how mine wasn't Play-Dohing that time when we made
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Alright.
Alright, which one are you going to taste?
Go to there.
That one?
Second Mario.
No, you're not taking it in your room. No way,
Oh,
dude.
just in Paul.
Get it.
Second Mario.
No, you're not taking it in your room. You can try it here and eat it
Which
out
one am I
here.
going to taste? I'm gonna
Because
taste
they're
this
too
one.
messy.
Go to there.
Cheers. Good. Good.
Yep.
These are both going to have pink lips.
Yeah.
Does it get a thumbs up or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, boys. We'll check your lips out when you're finished.
No.
It looks like lipstick.
That bad.
You stop it. Why are you strong?